Meaning of Henry V.
Henry V.
Henry V.
Henry V.
Henry V. Henry V is a history play by William Shakespeare that portrays the events leading up to the Battle of Agincourt during the 100 Years' War between England and France. The play follows the young King Henry V as he navigates political challenges, forms alliances, and marches his army to battle against overwhelming odds. Despite being outnumbered, Henry V's victory at Agincourt is a symbol of English military prowess and national pride. Through its themes of leadership, loyalty, and nationalism, Henry V has become one of Shakespeare's most popular and enduring plays.